In the bustling heart of Featherbrook Park, where children laughed and leaves danced with the wind, lived a soft grey pigeon named Pico. Pico was small, gentle, and curious, always paying attention to things other birds ignored. While the sparrows chirped loudly and the crows boasted about their flying tricks, Pico watched quietly, noticing patterns, listening carefully, and thinking before he acted. Every morning, a friendly park keeper named Mr. Lyle scattered seeds near the big fountain. Birds from all around swooped down, robins, doves, sparrows, finches, and even the grumpy crows. But lately, things had changed. The food never seemed enough. The birds fought, pushed, and chased one another. Featherbrook Park was no longer peaceful. Pico watched sadly from a tree branch. "There must be a better way," he murmured. "The problem grows." One windy morning, the food ran out even faster. The strongest birds got plenty, while the smaller, younger ones went hungry. A tiny finch named Lila fluttered up to Pico with drooping wings. "It's not fair," she whispered. "We're all hungry, but no one shares anymore." Pico tilted his head thoughtfully. Maybe the problem wasn't the food. Maybe the problem was that everyone was acting alone. He puffed his feathers, took a deep breath, and made a brave decision. "I'm going to help," Pico said. "But I'll need everyone together." Pico's clever plan. Pico flew to the tallest fountain ledge and cooed loudly, louder than he ever had before. "Birds of Featherbrook Park, please listen." The other birds paused, not because Pico was loud, but because he was calm, and calm was rare these days. "We keep fighting for food," Pico said. "But if we work together, we'll all have enough." The crows scoffed. The sparrows rolled their eyes. The robins tilted their heads. "How?" asked Lila the finch. Pico smiled. "I've watched Mr. Lyle feed us every day. He always spreads seeds in the same places. If we organize ourselves and take turns, no one will get pushed aside. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye."